Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kiki Fontentot with the LSU AgCenter, and I'm here today with my two grad students, Kaylee Deinzer and Celine Richard, and we're talking about growing flowers in the vegetable garden. It's important to have flowers in or near the vegetable garden for several reasons. The first is it's great for crop rotation. This section of the vegetable garden last spring was corn, which is in the Poaceae family. We have zinnias this year, which is in the daisy family. Additionally, cut flowers and flowers in general attract pollinators to our garden, so we're getting ready to plant cucumbers, and this is very important. The third reason why we want cut flowers in our vegetable garden is because we like to share them with our friends and family.
Zinnias can be planted from seed anytime after the risk of your frost is gone. That's anywhere between mid-March to mid-September.
And for an extended blooming season, it's best to continuously cut your flowers. So if you're cutting it for a vase, you follow it all the way down to this node so it fits nicely in a vase, and then you leave these two buds for a continuous bloom.
Zinnias can be planted from seed anytime after the risk of your frost is gone. That's anywhere between mid-March to mid-September.